Immediately after your Splash Studio event, you could start analyzing reporting. The best place to start would be your Splash guest list. Within the guest list for the event you hosted, you're going to want to locate the filter for checked out status. This represents everybody who is on your Splash Studio event with you live. To take this a step further, go to columns and search for checked in and checked out times. This will now show you the precise moment in time that your guests entered your event, that's checked in time, and when they dropped off, checked out time. Really handy for understanding how your content was performing. Now, just talking about statuses for one more second, these are really helpful for segmenting your email communication. Your attending list will be everybody who registered but no-showed, so you may want to use this list in sending a here's what you missed email. Then, of course, you have that checked out list that we already discussed, everyone who showed up. These are the folks that you'd want to load up your thank you email to. Okay, that's it for guest list. The next place you're going to want to go is reporting. So use the home button to get back to your event overview screen, and then jump into the reporting tab, which is anchored to the left. In the reporting tab, you'll find an account level view of your Splash Studio event activity. This will make it easy to keep tabs on how many virtual minutes your team has used and the number of unique users you've had in networking circles. You'll also be able to report on top attendees, monthly live minutes, monthly on-demand minutes, among other helpful stats for understanding event performance.